Imagine waking up every morning to all this. All these forests, all these woods, all these trees, bushes. The best part is no ticks. No ticks whatsoever. Barely any mosquitoes either. Only gripe I have is how much poison oak there is. It's everywhere. That and the squirrels. Can't see them, but they're also everywhere. They're loud. They don't like it when you get close. Start chitter chattering. This beautiful little campsite. Beats being homeless. Look how tall these trees are. Oh, this. Lovely, ain't it?